Well, at least it's in a convenient spot. Now we're done, and well, so I just swapped this thing out. This one actually fit better than the one that was in there. But anyhow, it went in perfectly, and I'll definitely be back for another one of these. Now, does Doc's make tires? Because that's next on my list. All right, so cabin filter's done. Next up, air filter. I assume it goes here. One of those things I haven't taken apart yet. So here's the original out of the truck. It is an STP filter. And it's got a handful of bug carcasses rather. None of them are trying to get out. But looking at this versus the other, I see what's going on here. But yeah, okay. Anybody do anything fun with these old filters, or just can it? That I'm genuinely curious about. So I looked this thing over. So it's a little bit bigger than my last vehicle, but yeah, I don't see anything coming apart. Great quality so far. Let's get it. All right. So if you've never taken this apart on 2018 or 4th gen, I assume most of the 4th gen are going to be the same. Mine's a 2018. So just 3 screws, and then it lifted up from the tabs in the back, and it was pretty easy to do. So in case you've never done it, there you go. All right, so inside the ram air box, I'm just gonna check it out and make sure it's all good to go. And yikes, luckily that one's dead. But aside from that, everything else looks all right. I think there's that tape. Yeah, all right, a little flappy. Oh, that might be a label. All right, that's a label, an old label. So we'll trash that. Yeah, looks like everything else is good. And I'll just put the new one in from Doc's Diesel, and then just monitor that situation between this and the cabin air filter, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. All right, nice snug fit. Got the seal. I could feel the seal as I pushed the box down over the filter. So I can already tell this is. I definitely needed this because the other one was not this tight. And then the screws went down, finger tight, almost all the way down, and then ready to rock. I'm so excited. I can't wait to drive the truck again.